Attention baked potato lovers. If you want the yummy taste of nice, slowly baked potato but don't have the time, well, this is the recipe for you. In just 12 minutes, you'll have a mouth-watering, taste bud-tingling treat. Prick the potato all over with a fork. This will let the steam out and keep it from popping. Place it on a microwave-safe plate. And cook the potato on full power in the microwave for 5 minutes. Then turn it over using a paper towel since it will be hot. And cook it for 5 more minutes. Depending on the size of the potato and the wattage of the microwave, this step may take a little less than 5 minutes. Remove the potato from the microwave and cut it in half lengthwise. Then season it with salt and pepper to suit your own taste. And mash up the insides a little with a fork. Top the potato with 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese. Return the potato to the microwave and cook it for another minute to melt the cheese. To serve, top the potato with a tablespoon of sour cream.